Assalamu alaikum. Now we can see that what is the inside of the pen drive. So generally we can see inside that this way, but we just open this pen drive and we can see this one is the motherboard of the pen drive. We can see it. So here we can see that this is the opening side. So inside we can see there is the IC. Okay, so the number is 918Z2. This one is the name of the motherboard of a pen drive, and we can see here the chip. Okay, the IC number. Okay, so if you see this IC number, you just close and just open and just close. You can see very clearly. Okay, and we just see how was the motherboard of a pen drive. You can easily see the number of the pen drive also. Here you just touch and then open it closely, and then also you can see here. Okay, and I also give you the number of. So how is the pen drive of a motherboard? You just see. So in this way we can see, and this is the lower side. You just see, and other side we can see another thing. This one is the name of a motherboard. Okay, 918G2. So this is one kind of the pen drive. This one is the pen drive, and its quality name is very well. You just see the motherboard, and if you open this part, for example this one, so this one is the just tape. Okay, nothing else. So it was there where inside. Okay, you just keep here. Next we can just put down this, and if you see what is the here, you can just see where is this part. So you just see here. Okay, so here you can see very closely. Just click and just you can see very clearly. So this one is the okay. Here there is a very little name. Okay, here the chip. You can see the chip. Here you just very clearly see. I will give you the picture also, no problem. So this one actually the motherboard, and how was the inside of a motherboard. Okay, of a pen drive. So this one is pen drive. So you can see here just 32 GB pen drive. Okay, and the name of the company you can see here, SanDisk. Maybe sorry Twinmos the name of the company, and 32 GB. Okay, so everything is here. So if you see online searching, then you can get other thing, that is 222211, that is 2211. So thank you. Like, comment and share.